Hi everyone, in today's video I'm trying the Skincare Supercharged Tinted Hydrabalms from Queen Musia on my lips for the first time. These are a mix of lip care and soft color. The texture feels really smooth and they melt right in. They're made with great skincare ingredients like vitamin C, E, and F, hyaluronic acid, and natural oils and butters. They also help protect your lips from screen time and pollution. Let's try them and see how each shade looks. After many swatches on my hand, I decided that this shade Nostalgic is my favorite, and let's try it for the first time on the lips. I just have a little contour from the lip pencil and let's apply this one. It looks so natural. Guys, it's so creamy. Feels so hydrating on the lips and the taste is amazing. You know what? This remembers me to Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, the iconic lipstick Pillow Talk Original. It's the same texture but feels more hydrating and glossy as you see. Love it. I think in reality it looks much better and gives such a nice tint to the lips. Oh my god, I can do it all day. Feels so good. It's gorgeous, the shade, the texture, it feels incredible on the lips, so hydrating. Oh my god, I'm in love with these hydrating balms from Queen Musia. Love it. Thank you so much Queen Musia for launching this. And the Hydra Balm in a bullet, it's the perfect match and looks so chic. Look at this. You just put it in your bag, grab it and hydrate your lips. Oh my god, such a nice color. I think it's so similar with Nostalgic, but this one is a little bit more pinkish. Perfect. Looks so fresh. I'm addicted to these Hydra Balms. They are so soft, so hydrating. Oh my god. I have never tried something like this. Guys, these two shades are so similar in my opinion. So this one is Nostalgic and this one is Desert Rose. Desert Rose is a little bit more pinkish and this one is more like nude. Sorry, Desert Flower. I was thinking this shade, Noble Wine, will look too dark on me, but you know what guys, it looks nice. Oh my god, all these Hydra Balms glides so easily on the lips. I'm just addicted. Sorry guys, but honestly they are too good. So this is the Noble Wine. Looks nice. This 2005 shade is so bold. Let's try it. I think this one gives so much freshness to the face and color. So beautiful. It's more like a pink, bold pink, but it's not too dark as you see, you know? It's beautiful. Definitely this shade, I think is perfect for those of you who likes pink, who love pink actually. And the last one is more like a brown, let's see. But on the lips doesn't look brown at all, it's more like a nude. Yeah, it looks so natural. Honestly guys, I think you can't do any mistake with all of these shades. They are so beautiful and versatile, I think. Can be suitable for almost everyone. This one is 1993. And that's it guys, I hope these swatches helped you choose the right shade and gave you a better idea of how the Hydra Balms look and feel in real life. All the shades are linked in the description along with my discount code CRISTINA10 for 10% off at Queen Musia. See you next time, bye bye!